Today we're visiting one of our former projects that we completed last year, and it's a beautiful set of Boulder steps.
Yes, this is as you can see on this view, that originally there was some railroad tie steps with bricks. And it's been probably close to 40 years that they've been functionally there, and they've rotted away and things have moved or whatever, and they really need a replacement.
Sure.
And the customer wanted that same kind of a visual with a wide flowing steps going up, and really wanted to use a natural element.
Yeah, and we have a lot of stone walls present on the site already, so it kind of made sense, visually to go with something that was a stone product.
Well, what makes this one different than some of them that we've done is the stones are quite wide. Again, wanted that nice sweeping look, and they vary in width and a little bit in height, but it's a very natural look.
Yeah, and it's easy to walk up because they are pretty close to a consistent, 6 to 8 inches or so. So it makes it really easy to walk up it. And it's flanked by a really unique plant on either side, which is actually a native plant. It's a type of sumac that's real low growing ground cover.
Yeah, and the homeowner here is kind of leaning towards going with native plants at this point, so it was a great selection. And as this grows, it's going to soften the stone very nicely.
It's aptly named. It's called Gro Low Sumac,
right?
And that's because of that short stature to it. And in the fall, it gets a beautiful fall color that's red and orange and yellow, all on the same plant. And
deer resistant.
Always good. So thank you for joining us as we revisit this project. My name is Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hoteling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.